Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is an extreme organizing video. If you didn't know this already, we just moved into our house not even 2 weeks ago, so there are several boxes that need to be unpacked in our master bathroom, and that includes a lot of linen items and things like that. I just threw some stuff in the cabinets that are underneath our sinks in the bathroom whenever we first got here, as well as I had already wiped down the cabinets and the counters and everything like that. I have yet to put down the contact paper. You will not see me do that in this video. I'm not sure when I'm going to put the contact paper down. However, they are clean. They might not look clean because they are very much stained. I need to get a magic eraser and wipe away some of the stains. But you're just going to see me unpacking several boxes and then organizing the closet. And then I'm just going to clean the sink. So I hope that this video gives you some cleaning and organizing motivation. If you like this type of video, then please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys decided to clean or organize while watching or listening to this video. Also, if you haven't already, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join me here on YouTube. I make a lot of cleaning videos and mommy lifestyle videos. I'm getting back into the swing of things as far as recording daily or every other day. So I hope that you guys get some great cleaning motivation, and I hope you guys stick around, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks, guys.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it in time. To be alone is depressing, and you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you, baby. Why are you stressing? Why? I can promise you you'll find your way in time. To find someone is a blessing. The love you find, you won't be able to deny.
So now that I have unpacked everything, this is where the organizing begins. I have a lot of Dollar Tree bins that I've had now for over a year. I just use different ones. I like the round ones that are solid with the handles. I like the ones with holes in them and those little rectangular ones. I also love to use shoe organizers on the backs of doors in a lot of places in my house. I use one of them in my pantry, and this one is in my linen closet in my master bathroom. They're really handy. I did not get them from the Dollar Tree. However, I ordered them, I believe, on Amazon or something like that. You can get them from so many places, but they are great for organizing, especially if you don't have much storage space. We do have a lot of storage space, but they're still very, very handy. Also, during this time, my two of my girls, I have a 2-year-old, a 4-year-old, and an almost 8-year-old girl. But anyway, the 2 and the 4-year-old, they are in between like taking baths. So that's why you see my 2-year-old in just a little bit. She actually wanted to put some lotion on her legs, and she wanted me to polish her toenails. So that's what you see me doing here in just a little bit. So in between taking care of them and trying to organize our bathroom.
You take your time. Wait, while you take your time. You take your time. I know you will find your way from all of this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be
So this was when I was almost finished with everything. I was starting to work in my cabinets, which I did not record. And that little white device there on the counter is what I use to hold my phone because I record with my iPhone. So now I'm just starting to clean the mirror and the countertops. I love to use the Method Anti-Bac and the Citron scent, and my favorite glass cleaner right now is the 7th generation. I'm not crazy about the Method glass cleaner, but I have heard that it is good on stainless steel. I just don't have good luck with it with my glass. But I am going to try the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner very soon. So anyway, I'm just cleaning, and then in just a second you will see the end result.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, God rubbing on a glass.
So it's not perfect, but this is much better than what it was. The bucket on the right is what I use daily, and then over here on this side is my husband's side. I just use that basket that I had for his stuff that he uses every single day, and then our drawer that has mine, my husband's, and my 2-year-old's toothbrush in there. There's also contact and razor stuff and floss. So then coming over here to the closet, I just separated my towels, which these were already in the closet, those little dividers, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then on here, I just use things, I put things in there that I don't use on a daily basis. Like there's some bug spray and body oil from Honest Company. I need to finish off that mouthwash actually. I haven't finished it off. There's my dry shampoo. Just a lot of items that I don't use on an everyday basis. So I put those in there.
It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
So on the floor, there are a few bags that I just keep packed for whenever we travel. And then in that middle basket, there's just like first aid stuff. There's some linens to the right. There's feminine products, and then the washcloths, hand towels, and bath towels. Then up here, there's just like some miscellaneous kind of bath, pampering items. There's like detox foot pads. There's my cleaning bucket. Here's just some miscellaneous stuff like oils. I'm going to put some hair bows in there. Our beach towels. Some more linen stuff, which I need to probably stick it in the other bucket. More miscellaneous bath stuff. I'm going to put those washcloths in the basement bathroom. I just haven't done that yet. And then here are just some other little wet bags. There's some hair items up there with the curlers. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's just a little quick shot of what the bathroom looks like, the little toilet area now that I have cleaned out the box that was in there.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do.
And for those of you who stay to the end, here is a sneak peek of our master closet. I will be making a video on this very soon, so stay tuned for that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Love.